Postura Plus is a one-piece chair manufactured in the UK designed for education environments. It's backed by several certifications with a 20-year warranty. Postura Plus is made from a single piece, injection moulded polypropylene construction. Its supreme ergonomic design with waterfall seat edge and extra large lower back ventilation ensures ultimate comfort. The textured surface provides slip prevention, and the angled legs discourage rocking to enhance concentration in the classroom. It's also anti-static, stain resistant, and contains a built-in UV filter for occasional outdoor use. Postura Plus exceeds industry standards with weight loading and Crib 5 fire testing. Postura Plus chairs are available in 6 sizes to fit various age groups from 3 to 18 plus, with a choice of 20 colours and 7 new shades launching in 2023. Offering a diverse range of colour palettes, including natural, muted, chroma, neon, and achromatic. Postura Plus chairs are super lightweight, durable, and practical. The integrated grab handle makes it easy to move around and is stackable up to 12. Postura Plus chairs contain 100% recycled polypropylene in jet black and at least 30% in all colours. KI plans to increase to 50% in the near future, aiming for 80 to 100% long term. The recycled plastic is sourced from a UK-based supply chain utilising waste plastic from the food industry. Over 600 tonnes of this plastic are used annually, equivalent to more than 2 million food containers. The chairs are 100% recyclable at the end of their life and delivered in fully recyclable packaging. Postura Plus is leading the way to a sustainable future.